Hello everyone, my name is Rustem. I am the product owner for Report Builder here at Actonic. Today I will show you how to add Universal Report Gadget to a dashboard. To begin with, I created an empty dashboard and I will seek now for our gadget. Yep, here it is. We click Add. Now we see it's loading. Wait for it a little bit. Yep, now let's select the project we want to report against. Let's choose what kind of data representation chart we will use. For instance, donut chart. And let's check what do we want to report against. Let's say that will be an epics and some of our remaining estimates for all our epics shown in days. Right? I click Save now and I will wait for my report to be ready. Right? That is as easy as it looks like. Let's click Done and see how the things look like on the dashboard itself. Here it is. You're done.